Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy blockchain solutions with IBM, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, familiarize yourself with blockchain technology and its key concepts. Understand the types of blockchain networks, such as public, private, and consortium. Explore IBM's blockchain platform offerings, specifically IBM Blockchain Platform on Hyperledger Fabric. Create an IBM Cloud account if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the IBM Cloud dashboard. Search for the IBM Blockchain Platform under the catalog. Select the option to create a new blockchain network. Choose the appropriate configuration for your network, such as setting the number of organizations and peers. Customize the network settings, including membership and consensus protocols. Review the configuration and deploy the network. After deployment, access the blockchain network dashboard. Create and configure your first smart contract within the network. Use the provided development tools to write the smart contract code. Test the smart contract in a private environment to ensure proper functionality. Once validated, deploy the smart contract to the network. Create and configure a chain code for transaction logic. Build your application interface to interact with the blockchain. Implement security measures, including identity management and access controls. Finally, monitor the blockchain network for performance and security. Regularly update your applications and smart contracts based on user feedback and technological advancements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.